Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to perform matrix operation using Microsoft Excel. If you are studying quantitative method, business mathematics or linear algebra, these tutorials will make your work much easier. In this video, we will cover matrix multiplication, matrix subtraction, addition of matrices, transposition of matrix, and finally, find the inverse of a matrix. So without wasting much time, let's get it started. So if you are to multiply a matrix, like for instance, in this question, they said we should multiply matrix A and B. And this is the matrix A, this matrix B. So we have to input our function or our formula. So we say, first of all, the formula you have to bring your equal to sign. So here is our equal to. And since it's matrix, we press on M. The M is for matrix. And what are we doing? What is the operation? The operation is multiplication. So we write multiplication. So you trying to spell multiplication, it will pop up here. So you click on it. And what are you multiplying? Sorry. You are multiplying matrix A and B. So we select matrix A. You bring a comma, matrix B. Then you close the bracket. Enter. So this is the answer for matrix A and B. Some of the Windows machines, they are updates. When you select matrix A, matrix B, and then you click on enter, you only see this 7. The rest won't appear. So this is what you are going to do. So we bring your equal to sign here. You start with your multiplication of matrices. So here is it. You select matrix A, comma, matrix B. You close your bracket. So what you are going to do is that you click on Control, you click on Shift at the same time. You click and hold Control and Shift. Still holding them, then you press on Enter. So you see it will now, your answers will now pop up like this. Alright, that's for those who, when they press on only Enter, the answer does not appear. The only 7 appears. So that's what you are going to do. Here we are to add a matrix A and B. So add matrix A and B. Let's come here. Bring your equal to sign. Equal to sign. So for matrix A and B, to add matrix A and B, we don't have a formula that when you just click like how we did for the multiplication, everything will be set. No, we do it one by one. So we select this first element plus this, because that's how we add matrices. Click on enter, come to this side, equal to, select this element plus this element, enter. So this is how we do addition of matrices. Alright, so take special notice. So when it comes to transposition of matrices, so we have to transpose matrix C, and this is matrix C. So let me bring it here. So you bring your equal to sign, and then you just write transposition. So you can see this transpose. So we click on it, and we select the element of the matrix, that's matrix C. We close our bracket, and then enter. So you see, this is the transposition of matrix. And what is transposition of matrix? Transposition is they changing the element of the matrix, exchanging the rows and then the column. So when you take a special look, here we had 2, 8, 11. These 2, 8, 11 will be transposed to 2, 8, 11. You see they've changed the direction of the matrix. Here we had 6, 1, 7, 6, 1, 7, 9, 4, 2, 9, 4, 2. When you check the row 2, it was previously 2, 6, 9. They transpose the row to column. So 2, 6, 9. So that's what we call transposition, exchanging the rows for the column. Now let's find the inverse of matrix A. So to find the inverse of matrix A, you input your formula equal to, and it's a matrix, so you bring M. This M represents matrix. And what are you finding? You're finding the inverse, so spell inverse. INV As you are spelling, you see it pops up here. So you click on it. And then what are you finding? The inverse of matrix A. So you select matrix A. You close the bracket and you press on enter. So this is the inverse for matrix A. Here we have to find the inverse of matrix B. Perform the same matrix inverse. So here is it. You click on it. That's fine. Matrix of inverse B. You close the bracket, enter. So this is the inverse for matrix B. You have to find inverse of matrix C. Same thing. Enter M for matrix and you start to spell your inverse. So here is it. Select the element of matrix C, close the bracket, enter. So for those of you, when you click on enter and you see only this first element, what I said is that equal to matrix of the inverse of select this element, you close the bracket, Control Shift. As you're holding Control and Shift, you click on your enter, and then the answers will pop. Alright, so if you find this video educative, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye.